what happens if an inspector finds a problem in my house? So this is assuming that we can go at this really both ways. If it's a sale that you are selling your house, then your buyer's agent, the buyer's agent representing the buyer, is going to give you the full report. Sometimes it's 40 to 70 pages, and it doesn't matter if it's new construction or if it's a house that's 50 years old. It's typically going to be in that range of 40 to 70 pages, depending on how thorough that inspector is. It's very important to find an inspector that knows what they're doing and is very thorough through their report. So in the full report, they're going to pull out some items that the buyer feels is important to them for the seller to fix. In the new contracts, it is only important that the seller paid repairs is what it's called on the contract, that they fix anything structural, electrical, and plumbing. Anything outside of that, like, hey guys, I don't really like the color of this fireplace, you need to paint it. Well, that's cosmetic, so that's not a seller paid repair. If there's a big crack through the slab, then yeah, that's something that we need to get addressed from a local foundation company and get multiple quotes, make sure it's done correctly. Same thing with if the pipes are leaking, things like that.
I appreciate your time, guys, and remember, with Delisle Properties, luxury always comes standard.
Yeah, that was great. That's going to be like a lot.